Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful kitchen scrubby pattern and versatile pattern too for other projects, and it's a very thick fabric that we get out of this pattern, and it is titled Ridged Hexagon. And this ridged hexagon is made with V stitches, DC V stitches and DC back post stitches over the stitches on the previous round. Okay, and instead of the double crochets you can also use the trebles so that you get a longer stitch. Okay, and this particular piece I have worked with all leftover yarns of Aran yarn from Hobby Store, and I've used a 5.5 mm crochet hook. Okay, this is all made with only scrap yarns, leftover yarns, and it will not be more than 15 grams. Okay, let us go into the video immediately. With color A, chain 6, slip stitch to the first chain and join with a slip stitch to make a ring. And then in this circle we need to make 6 sets of DC V stitches. DC V stitches are made with DC chain 1 DC. Okay, so the first one I'm starting with my standing twisted double crochet here, chain 1 DC. The first one is made, again DC chain 1 DC double crochet. Second set is made. Make 6 more sets. I shall also complete and get back. Sorry, totally make 6 sets. I shall complete and get back. I've completed. Now slip stitch to the first double crochet or third chain of the 3 chains if you have made 3 chains, and fasten off. Okay, I shall fasten off and get back with the second color. With the right side facing, slip stitch the second color to any chain 1 space and join. You can make a standing double crochet here or chain 3. It's as per your wish. So I shall chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And now the next DC you make back post double crochet. And in the next back post double crochet. And in this chain 1 space, place a V stitch. DC chain 1 DC, and in the next 2 DCs each, back post double crochet. So insert the hook from back to front and take it behind the DC of the previous row, pull up, complete the DC, and in the chain 1 space make V stitch. So continue the stitch pattern all around. I shall meet you where I began. We've come to the end of this round here. Now make 1 double crochet in the chain 1 space where we began our chain 3, chain 1, and slip stitch to the third chain of the chain 3 and fasten off. I shall be back with the third color. Slip stitch and join the third color to any chain 1 space. Chain 3, it's considered as first DC. Now place a back post DC on each of the DCs till you reach the next chain 1 space. So in this round we are going to have 4 of them. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have reached the chain one space, that is chain one space between the two DCs of the V stitch. Here we are going to place a V stitch. So this hexagon is prepared with V stitches and back post double crochets. So again, so this is the pattern. Repeat, complete the round. I shall also complete and get back. I have completed the round. I have placed my last 4 back post DCs and 1 DC for the V stitch in the first chain that we started with. Chain 1, slip stitch to the third chain of the 3 chains that we made and fasten off. And this is the stitch pattern you have to follow round after round. I shall complete 2 more rounds and get back to you. So you should begin with placing a slip knot in the chain 1 space, chain 3 or a DC, and then on all the DCs till you reach the next chain 1 space, you place a back post double crochet. And this is how the hexagon increases in size, and this is customizable to any size that you require for your projects. So I shall complete 2 more rounds and get back to you. You can keep changing the colors, or you can have alternating colors with 2 colors, and this is a very good project for your scrap yarns. Okay, right now I am working with only scrap yarns. I have completed 2 more rounds, and this is how it looks, and you can go on increasing the sides. See, we started with 2, 4, then the next round 4, the next round 6, the next round 8, and it will go on increasing in multiples of 2 on each side, and you can make an hexagon to the size that you require. And it's a very thick fabric. You can see I have hidden the yarns also at the back. So this is how it looks, and it is reversible too. This too looks, the reverse side also looks beautiful, and this is a very beautiful pattern. Hope you like this small effort of ours. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. If you like it, do not forget to hit on the like button and also hit on the bell button so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Bye for now. Have a great day, friends.